Hi, Violet.
Hi,
Who do you miss?
Mommy.
I'm right here.
I miss Daddy.
You miss Daddy? He's in the bathroom.
I miss Susie.
Where do we live right now?
California.
California. Do you like it here? Where do you wish we lived? Do you like living in California, Violet? Can you show everyone how you can count to 10? Look at me, I can't hear you. Oh, I'm going to ask Mateo. Mateo, can you count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mateo. Can you do your ABC? Come
No.
on. You sing with me. Yay, I see your foot. Mateo, can you do your ABCs?
By tapping into the radio frequency, we're applying the Tasmanian Devil's right to steal them all.
Yay!
Watch out, buddy.
Yay! What a mess this place is. Can you tell everyone we live in Walnut Creek, Violet?
We live on the Walnut Creek.
Do you like it here?
Yeah.
We can walk and go get frozen yogurts, huh? And we've got a park right in the back.
Well.
We go there every day, baby. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at me and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow a kiss. Give a hug. Aww. Mateo, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Love you.